In this video today, we will see how to create rules in Gmail to automatically move emails to a particular folder or label. Folders are called label in Gmail. So at first, let me open my Gmail account. So once you open your Gmail account, then click on this gear icon here. Go to this option, see all settings. Then go to this option, label. So what we will do at first is we will create a new label. So click on this option, create new label, and let me enter a name like sample. After that, create. So once you have created a label, what you do is you will go to this option, filters and blocked addresses, and then click on this option, create a new filter. Now here you have different criteria that you can put. If you want, you can put the email address, so that the email that you have received from that particular email address will go to the label. For example, if I select this email, then all the emails that I have received from this particular contact can go to the label that I have created. If not, what I can do is I can select subject. So if there is any email that has the subject YouTube, then those emails that have subject YouTube can go to sample label. Or else, if the email has the word YouTube, then all the emails that has the word YouTube can go to the sample label. Also, you have the option where you can select the MB size, etc. So for me, what I will do is I will enter the email address. So if I receive email from this contact, then what will happen, I will show you. Once I enter the email address, I will click on this option, create filter, and then I will select this option, apply the label, and from here I will choose the label that I had created. I had created sample, so I will select it and then create filter. So now what happens, all the emails that I receive from this particular contact will go to the label called sample. In case if you want to delete this filter, you can just select it and then delete, and then OK, and the filter will be deleted.